In today's video, we're going to be making the St. Patrick's Day themed light. The project is composed of 4 separate designs for the X-Carve. First, we have the front face of the bottom piece. Next, we have the back face of the middle piece, followed by the front face of the middle piece, and finally, the back face of the top piece. And there you have it, one 4-leaf clover light to make your St. Patrick's Day celebration a little more festive. One thing to note here for me personally is that I need to slow down more when staining items. Me rushing through this coupled with a ceiling fan and low humidity made the staining job not turn out as well as I would have liked. Just something I need to keep in mind for the future. Well, that's it for this project. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more.